Welcome. I'm Aurora J. Miller, and this meditation is designed to help you connect with your feelings of self love. So, if you're feeling raw or overwhelmed, even if you're feeling broken, this exercise may help you feel some soothing relief. We always want to start with some breathing, but today we can keep it nice and easy. Just gently in and out, so our body can start to relax and our mind can be focused and present. Periodically, we might take a deeper breath to get an oxygen boost, but we can just softly be attentive to our body and what it needs. Each of us has a different definition of self-love and a different experience of what feels loving. So, to connect with those feelings and sensations, to truly feel loved, we need to connect with the uniqueness of our inner self. We can do this by reflecting on our memories, our imagination, and our somatic experience in our body. Allow your mind to roam freely, with no judgments, no expectations. What comes up for you when you think of comfort? Kindness, soothing, nourishment, tenderness, safety, joy. Are there other qualities that evoke in you a sense of love? How does your body respond when you think about feeling loved? Does it ask for anything in particular? Any activity? Any connection? Any food or drink that would help your body feel like you are giving it gentle, loving care and helping your muscles, bones, and organs to thrive? Self-love includes loving every aspect of ourself, including our body. We often connect feeling loved with our heart, so let's check in with it now. How is your heart feeling? Is there anything that would help it feel light, supported, cared for? As you take a deep breath and expand your chest, how does your heart feel then? Are there other parts of you that would like attention? Sometimes our inner child needs a hug or even a long snuggle to feel loved. Or our inner critic needs to be sent away on vacation after working so hard. Take a moment to listen inside of yourself and see if anything tugs at you. You deserve to feel loved in all the ways that feel good to you. There are so many ways we can give ourselves that love, and it can be really empowering gift to ourselves. And sometimes the best way to love ourselves is to ask for what we need from other people. As you continue to clarify what love means to you, share what you've learned with the people in your life. Invite them to show up for you and love on you as you love on them in return. And when you want to learn more science-based strategies for a happier life, come back to aurorajmiller.com.